I'm Joellen Reinhardt, and I'm 72 years old. I had the Zephyr valve procedure done at Franciscan Hospital in July 20 of 2020 by Dr. Faisal Khan. I retired in 2013 from the Department of Defense. I had 6 years in the Army, and then I went to work out at DFAS. I have 3 children. I have 11 grandchildren and 8 great-grandchildren. So it's a big family. I was diagnosed in January of 1998, and I just woke up one morning and couldn't breathe. At that point, it was diagnosed emphysema, COPD. The outcome was pretty straightforward, just depending on how long it took to get there. And in October of 2019, I read an article about this brand new procedure. And quite honestly, I wouldn't read articles, anything about COPD, because nothing changed. It was just a different medicine. And I was sitting at my table and just read this one, and I thought, wow, it talked about the Zephyr valve. And as fate would have it, I've always said this was a God thing, because as fate would have it, the next day I had my respiratory rehab appointment, and I was talking to the gal that ran rehab. My pulmonologist of all those years I've had COPD was retiring, and I asked her who she recommended. I saw Dr. Faisal Khan, and I started seeing him in November of 2019. My first procedure with the Zephyr valves was on July 20th, and the evening of July 19th, I had a hard time walking from my kitchen to my patio, and that's maybe 40 feet. I was on oxygen 24/7. I didn't have a quality of life. I can't speak highly enough about Dr. Khan and his staff. They were wonderful. And they are what you would want if you were going through this. I am back to a quality of life I never expected. I can work in the garden. I can work with my plants. I can do housework. I don't have to worry or wonder or drag oxygen with me 24/7. I'd like to thank Franciscan Health, and I'd like to thank Dr. Faisal Khan and his staff for giving me back my life.